Ito ay nagsimula, na-approve ito noong July ng 2022. Nagsimula ito ng 2023, early 2023.
Late 2023.
I'm sorry, late 2023 kasi mga approval. At ngayon ay tapos na. Natulungan naman tayo ng ating mga Chinese na contractor dahil ang ganda ng technology nila. This is one of the four major projects that our legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao and its environs. So nakatapos na tayo, marami na tayong nabuksan na section dito. This will be now another major part of this bypass road. So I'm congratulating the DPWH for their good attention to this matter, and lahat ng nagtrabaho rito, congratulations. At we're looking forward to December 15 kung kailan meron ng dadaan na traffic dito.
VP Inday, earlier we talked about the Bukana Bridge, and you made mention that you're going to refer the situation with the former president. Ano po yung decision ni former president?
Nag-ano lang ako kanina kung pwede ko ba i-kwento yung backstory ng Bukana Bridge, and then he said na okay lang naman. So ang nangyari dyan ay ang Bukana Bridge is kaparte ng buong coastal road ng Davao City. So hindi siya yung coastal road hindi siya makakatawid ng Bangkerohan River kung wala yung Bukana Bridge. At that time na mayor ako, may budget ang coastal road pero unfunded ang bridge. And it was made known at the time to former President Duterte that the bridge is unfunded. At siya ay naghanap ng paraan para mabigyan ng pondo yung bridge. So noong nakahanap siya ng pondo, ay sinimulan yung negotiations, sinimulan yung mga planning, lahat ng paperworks para doon sa bridge na yon ay sinimulan na. But ngayon, nandyan na yung bridge, so dapat nating pagpasalamatan para sa akin bilang isang Davaoenyo at syempre sa mga tiga Mindanao na din, dahil nagbe-benefit din sila doon sa coastal road na yun, no? Traveling from south to north of Davao in the region. Nagpapasalamat kami kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dahil hindi siya tumigil sa paghahanap ng pondo para doon sa tulay. At syempre nagpapasalamat tayo sa People's Republic of China dahil buong-buo nila binigay yung entire cost ng tulay na iyon. So walang gastos ang City Government of Davao, walang gastos ang Pilipinas para tayo magkaroon ng bridge na iyon. At napakahalaga ng bridge na iyon dahil hindi mag-connect ang south to north kung wala yung bridge.
What is your reaction, VP, with the statement of President Bongbong Marcos saying that this is one of the four legacy projects under his administration so far?
Basta sa akin na lang. Bilang Davaoenyo at bilang Mindanaon, nagpapasalamat ako kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dahil ang totoo talaga niyan, alam niya at the time yung problema ko bilang mayor. Now, may coastal road, may budget ang coastal road, pero wala kaming budget para sa tulay. At and yes, as I said, yung source of fund ang People's Republic of China. Sila yung pinagpapasalamatan ko.